Are you seeing our systems have detected unusual traffic from your computer? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on Windows. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your PC isn't using a shared network that sends automated traffic. Restart your router to get a new IP address if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Open Chrome, then click the three dots, then Settings, and then Privacy and Security, and then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. This removes old data that may trigger automated query errors. Step 3. Disable extensions. Type Chrome//extensions in the address bar. Turn off extensions like VPNs, ad blockers, or automation tools. Reload Google and try your search again. Step 4. Run a virus scan. Malware or bots on your PC can send automated traffic to Google. Use Windows Defender or your antivirus to scan your computer and remove threats. Step 5. Use a fresh browser session. Open an incognito window in Chrome or restart Chrome completely. Sign in to your Google account again and continue searching. That's it. The automated queries error should now be gone and Google searches will work normally. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.